This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Front wiper blades. Pull the arm away from the screen until it locks. Rotate the blade 90 degrees and slide it from place. Locate the blade over the mounting pin and slide it into place. Rotate the blade 90 degrees and gently lower the arm down to the screen. Rear wiper blade. Slide out the retaining clip and detach the blade from the arm. Engage the blade with the pin on the arm, then slide in the clip to secure it.